I want to talk about two Walmart cases that had received a lot of publicity in the past. The first one is a case called Boucher, and the second, a case called Galea, Galea. I'm going to talk about the first one right now. And this involved a lady who, by the way, had an employment contract that defined her entitlement on termination. I believe it was 20 weeks or something of that nature, which was not challenged, and she did recover her damage claim on that 20-week period. But more importantly, the court found that the plaintiff had been humiliated and demeaned by her immediate boss due to the fact that she had refused to falsify a temperature log on one of the documents in the company. So it was a pretty serious allegation. And then, after she complained about this to management, they said that there is no merit to her complaint and she would be held accountable for the very fact that she made the complaint. Well, the court found that she had been constructively dismissed by the demeaning and humiliating conduct displayed by the manager to her over a 6-month period. And when the case finally was concluded in the Court of Appeal, the initial trial judgment was set aside as the Court of Appeal thought it was too high, but nonetheless, she did succeed in getting $200,000 for aggravated damages for emotional suffering, and a separate claim against the manager, her immediate manager, for the intentional infliction of mental suffering for a further $100,000, and a further $10,000 against the manager in punitive damages. So the incremental damages over and above her severance ended up being around, quick math, about $310,000 over and above her employment contract. By the way, initially the case went to a jury, and the jury had found, while I checked my notes, that there would be $1 million in punitive damages against Walmart, and that sum was reduced on appeal to $10,000. That's against the manager, but it was agreed that Walmart would be responsible for the damage claims against the manager. So another huge victory for the plaintiff in the Walmart number 1 case. And as we see in the Walmart number 2 case, which perhaps has received more publicity, the total damage award for extraordinary damages over and above severance claim was $700,000. So it doesn't seem that Walmart knows how to manage these employees very well. They got hammered twice, big time. And think of that next time you got a claim.